Hey everybody, it's June 24th, I think. Just barely. It's like 12:05. Kind of late. Kind of late tonight. But I'm in the greenhouse tonight. Had me a few barley pops tonight. So, feeling pretty good. So, the trip to Wyoming didn't go as planned. We got up in the mountains, got up in the Tetons. I think it was Sunday. And the plan was to hike up maybe 15 miles up in there and camp out and stay up there for a couple of days. Didn't quite work out the way we planned. We got up in there Sunday afternoon. Everything was good. It kind of drizzled and spit moisture on us all day long, but it wasn't a big deal. It was like it wasn't raining hard enough to do anything. I mean, it was evaporating off of our clothes faster than it was coming down, so we continued on and hiked all the way up in there to where the designated camping spot was. And about the time we got up in there, we started running into snowpack. And there were a few places where we were sinking up to our knees in freaking snow. But we made it to the designated camp spot about the time the thunder started and the skies just unloaded. We got poured on. It went from rain to sleet to snow. And we were scrambling to get our tent, tarp, whatever, rain shelter set up. And by the time we got that set up, it was over. We were freaking soaked from head to toe. My sleeping bag was soaked. Everything in my backpack was soaked. And the temps were dropping into the 30s. And the wind was blowing like a son of a bitch. I'm guessing 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts where we were at. So, we did manage to get a shelter over our head to keep the rain off of us. And we kind of cowered around for an hour or so, wondering how the hell we were going to make it through the night with freezing temps and knowing that everything we had was soaked, including everything we had on. And we finally decided the best course of action was to get the fuck out of there, haul ass, hike our way back down the mountain, and just get the hell out. That was the right decision. By the time we finally made it out, we eventually checked the radar and there was ice and snow dropping up in those elevations where we were at. So it was a close call. We made it out, but we paid for it. Holy shit, we literally hiked, I think it was 32 miles in one day. We hiked up the mountain. I don't know what the elevation gain was, but we were walking uphill all day freaking long. And it took us, I don't know, I think it was probably about 7 hours to get up to the spot where we finally stopped. And it took us 3.5 hours maybe to get back down. So I don't know. It really sucks that we didn't get to stay up there like we thought we would. But all in all, I don't regret it. I'm glad that we got to go up there and we pushed the limits as far as Mother Nature would let us go. But anyways, pushing forward to tonight, I just got a text from my buddy. Things aren't going too great for him tonight. I think his wife's in jail. But I don't know all the details of what happened tonight, but I talked to him on the phone a little while ago, and I hope he's sincere in saying that it's over and that he's going to go through with his divorce and move on. I know from past experience, he probably came about this far from being put in jail tonight because of a crazy freaking bitch that he's married to. He dodged a bullet tonight. Probably won't happen again. This is an opportunity for sure. She's in jail and he's not. Take advantage of it. You got an opportunity right now. Get out of that relationship. Get that divorce finalized. Get out of it. Move on. If you keep fiddle fucking around, you're going to end up in jail too. And when that happens, you're probably going to lose your job. You're going to lose your means of paying rent, paying car payments, everything else. Wake up. Get out of that. Go on. Move on. It ain't going to get any better than it is right now. She's in jail. You're not. You've got the best opportunity right now to go through a divorce and get what you want out of the divorce without her raping you, taking all the shit you own. Just do it now. So, with that said, I guess I'll just get out of here tonight. Things are getting a little better since I got home. You see the apparatus I got on my shoulders here. I fucked my shoulder up to no end. And that 32-mile hike, hauling 30 pounds of shit up the mountain. But my legs have finally recovered, so that's good. I can actually walk when I get out of bed in the morning. But my right shoulder is still pretty jacked up. I've got to wear this thing here to try and keep my shoulders pushed back, because all of this hunching over with the backpack on me pulled those muscles out of whack, especially in my right shoulder. And now they need to be retrained to go back like that. So I've been working on it. I've been doing some exercises. Hopefully, another day or two, hopefully this crap will get lined out. It's just, I don't know, the pain's debilitating. It sucks getting old. It really sucks. But I'm sure I'll get this worked out just like I have in the past. It's a recurring problem I have with my shoulder. So, anyways, all right, guys, I'm gonna check out of here tonight. Y'all take care. Be good. I'll talk to you next time. Good night.